Welcome to Linguaverse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bonjour everyone and welcome back to episode 7 of our French A1 course. I'm your teacher, Diana.
Bonjour, Diana. It's Avery. I'm so excited to learn more French today.
Wonderful to have you, Avery, and a big welcome to everyone listening at home. Let's start with a warm recap. First, let's count from 1 to 12, because there are 12 months in a year. Repeat after me. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12.
12.
Excellent. Now for the days of the week. Les jours de la semaine. Let's do a quick quiz. Avery, what comes after lundi?
Mardi.
C'est ça. It's mardi. And everyone at home, what comes after mardi? It's mercredi. You're doing great. Now for today's lesson. We are going to learn the 12 months of the year in French.
Oh, amazing. This is so important for talking about birthdays and holidays.
Exactly. Knowing the months is essential for daily life. In French, we say les mois de l'année. Let's say that together. Les mois de l'année.
Les mois de l'année.
Très bien. We will learn them slowly in 3 groups of 4. Let's start with the first month. Listen carefully. Janvier.
Janvier.
Now it's your turn at home. Janvier. One last time. Janvier.
Janvier.
Next. Février.
Février.
Now it's your turn at home. Février. One last time. Février.
Février.
Next one. Mars.
Mars.
Now it's your turn at home. Mars. One last time. Mars.
Mars.
And the last one in this group, Avril.
Avril.
Now it's your turn at home. Avril. One last time. Avril.
Avril.
Wonderful. Let's recap this first group. Janvier, février, mars, avril. Your turn, Avery.
Janvier, février, mars, avril.
Fantastic. Now for the second group. The next month is Mai.
Mai.
Now it's your turn at home. Mai. One last time. Mai.
Mai.
Next. Juin.
Juin.
Now it's your turn at home. Juin. One last time. Juin.
Juin.
Next. Juillet.
Juillet.
Now it's your turn at home. Juillet. One last time. Juillet.
Juillet.
And the last one in this group, août.
Août.
Now it's your turn at home. Août. One last time. Août.
Août.
Super. Let's recap this second group. Mai, juin, juillet, août. Your turn, Avery.
Mai, juin, juillet, août.
You're doing so well. Now for our final group. Ready? Septembre.
Septembre.
Now it's your turn at home. Septembre. One last time. Septembre.
Septembre.
Next. Octobre.
Octobre.
Now it's your turn at home. Octobre. One last time. Octobre.
Octobre.
Next. Novembre.
Novembre.
Now it's your turn at home. Novembre. One last time. Novembre.
Novembre.
And the final month of the year. Décembre.
Décembre.
Now it's your turn at home. Décembre. One last time. Décembre.
Décembre.
Perfect. Let's recap this final group. Septembre, Octobre, Novembre, Décembre. Your turn, Avery.
Septembre, Octobre, Novembre, Décembre.
Bravo! You now know all 12 months. let's say them all together. I'll say them, then there will be a pause for you at home, and then Avery will repeat. Ready? Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre.
Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre.
Magnifique! Now for some listening practice. I will say a random month, there will be a short pause for you to guess or repeat, and then Avery will say it to confirm. Let's go. Mai,
Mai,
décembre,
décembre,
avril,
avril,
juin,
juin,
octobre,
octobre,
janvier,
janvier,
septembre,
septembre,
février.
février.
Perfect listening. Now let's learn some useful sentences. To say, my birthday is in May, you would say, mon anniversaire est en mai. Repeat.
Mon anniversaire est en mai.
To say, we are in January, you say, nous sommes en janvier. Repeat.
Nous sommes en janvier.
Another useful phrase is the month of, which in French is le mois de. So you could say, c'est le mois de février. It's the month of February. Repeat that.
C'est le mois de février.
Let's try another. C'est le mois de juillet.
C'est le mois de juillet.
And we can talk about holidays. For example, Noël est en décembre. Christmas is in December. Repeat.
Noël est en décembre.
Excellent. Now let's try a mini conversation. Ivry, I'll ask you a question. Ton anniversaire, c'est quand?
When is your birthday? En juillet.
Juillet, super. Et quel est ton mois préféré? This means, what is your favorite month?
Oh, a new question. Mon mois préféré est mai.
Pourquoi mai? Why May?
J'aime le printemps.
Ah, I like the spring. Très bien, Ivry. See how much you can say already? Now, a quick note for everyone at home. Learning 12 new words can be tricky. Don't worry if you forget them. The most important thing is to practice them out loud. The more you say them, the easier they will become.
That's really encouraging. Repeating them so many times today has really helped me. I feel like I can remember most of them now.
That is the goal. Practice is key. You're building a strong foundation. All right, before we finish, let's do one final fun recap. We'll do a call and response. I'll say the first month, and Avery, you say the next one, and we'll go through the whole year. I'll start. Janvier,
Février,
mars,
avril,
mai,
juin,
juillet,
août,
septembre,
octobre,
novembre.
décembre.
We did it! You have all done an amazing job today. Thank you for joining us. In episode 8, get ready for telling the time in French. You'll learn how to ask for the time and understand the answer. It's very useful.
I can't wait. Au revoir, Diana.
Au revoir, Evry, and au revoir to all our listeners. Keep practicing and see you next time.
Thanks for joining us on French Conversations for Beginners. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more episodes. See you next time.